How to choose a Netflix streaming plan. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can choose a Netflix streaming plan. Netflix offers different plans. The first one is mobile. This one is for $2.99. This only works on mobile phone and tablet and the resolution is 480p. Next one is basic. This one is for $3.99. Here the resolution is 720p. The supported devices are TV, computer, mobile phone, tablet. Next one is standard. Here resolution is 1080p, which means full HD, and this one is for $7.99. Next one is premium. This one has the best video and sound quality. The resolution is 4K plus HDR. The supported devices are TV, computer, mobile phone, tablet, and the monthly price is $9.99. To choose the right plan for you, you want to keep in the device in mind. If you're only going to watch Netflix on mobile, the mobile plan is best. If you're going to watch it on computer, TV, mobile phone, and tablet, premium or standard might be the best one. You also want to consider how many people or devices will use it. For example, premium can be used on 4 devices at the same time. You also want to think about downloads and offline use. For premium, download devices is 6. For standard, download devices are 2. For basic, download devices are 1. You also want to think about the pricing and availability. Based on all of that, you can simply select the plan whichever is best for you. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.